Okay, we're going to be replacing this Moen 1222 cartridge for my shower. First thing to do is remove the set screw on the handle with an Allen wrench. As soon as that comes off, you can unscrew the black handle adapter, and then the key stop and the adjustable temperature limit stop will come out. Then the silver stop tube. I'm going to be taking the trim plate off because my tile job behind here is too tight to get the retaining clip out of the cartridge. And mine is caulked in, so I'm going to have to slice the caulking and pry that off. And you can see how tight that is using a needle nose plier to get that retaining clip off that's at the 12 o'clock position. Then you can take a set of channel locks to pull the cartridge straight out. I forgot to mention to turn off the water to the house before you do this. There will be water left over in the pipe, but you'll have a flood if you don't turn it off. Once you get the cartridge out, get your new cartridge out of the box. There are some instructions if you need those. You'll need to, it comes with a silicone type grease or a grease that you need to lubricate the cartridge to get it back in. Once you put the cartridge in, then everything's in reverse. Put the retaining clip back in. I'm going to have to clean that caulking off the wall there before putting the plate back on. Put the trim plate back on. That has 2 screws to it. This is a pretty simple repair, but more importantly, as a real estate agent, we deal with a lot of these items on home inspections, and this is an advantage of working with me as I understand most of these jobs and what it takes to do. So if you're looking to purchase a home that might need some maintenance items, I can give you quick tips on how to save some money and do some of these things yourself. Once that trim plate is screwed on, then everything goes on in reverse. The stop tube, then the adjustable temperature limit stop, then the key stop, both those little white pieces, and then you can screw the handle adapter back on the black piece, and then just put the handle on with the set screw, and you're good to go, all repaired.